Natural gas beautifully stayed bullish and it has reversed from close to 1.84, 1.85 levels. I have mentioned this why this is going to be a resistance level, and it has erased most of the gains. In fact, has tried to fill the partial gap here. So what to expect today from net gas, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. Next update will be released before the US session. Like, share and comment as well, it's great motivation. And if you have not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. Let's start. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. Watch till now, on the early charts, after the sharp drop, net gas is retraced and it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now, it is very, very important for gas to stay above 1.78 levels in order to confirm further rise. In fact, those who are willing to buy can buy here at 1.76 itself and wait for 1.78 levels to be broken, beyond which it can try to stay bullish. Also, remember there is a slight gap which is left now to be filled on the downside towards 1.72 levels. So that is one part to it. At 1.74, we can initiate a selling entry. But on the early charts, what we are seeing is a reversal sign here. Thus, possibly as long as 1.74 levels are not breached, we should not be treating gas as bearish. But look at the MACD. This is moving average. These are crossed over. These are trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic back to oversold. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour. Similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts. After the drop here, it is trying to retrace resistance here at 1.76, 1.78 zone. Very, very strong resistance there. Stochastic rising here. MACD is bearish and it is trading with very minimal divergence. RSI flat. Coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise, on the 3 hour charts, what has happened? See, steps are getting created. Previous candle closing at the bottom, but this candle is trying to erase some of the losses there. Thus, it is important for gas to stay above 1.76, 1.78 zone, which is going to be a critical milestone, and beyond that, 1.8, 1.8. In some 1.8685 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal, and then 1.9 is the next level. If it stays above these zone completely between 1.8 to 1.9, you can treat that net gas has turned bullish and we will look forward to higher prices in the near future towards 2.2, 2.5. But right now, it is facing a very, very stiff resistance around 1.8, 1.9. Now, for the day, yes, for the day it appears that there could be slight retracement, but it appears that we have to be cautious of the gap. Stochastic at bottom here on the 3 hour charts. MACD is trading with slight divergence and bearishness. RSI is also staying flat as of now, not indicating much. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, you can find out lower highs are getting created and the moving average is crossing over here. This is important and this again makes 1.76, 1.78 as a greater resistance. Now, see, look at these 4 candles. Despite a breakout here, yes, it has got the resistance precisely at the same point, but yes, 1.8 is again a critical milestone which it needs to break. So, yes, for the day, we can initiate a buying entry. If you see the lower prices at 1.76, you can initiate a buying entry, but then you have to be very cautious, alert as long as 1.8, 1.82 levels and then 1.8586 are not broken on the upside. On the downside, we can initiate a selling entry at 1.72 levels or in fact 73 levels, but then we have to wait for it to break below 1.7 in order to confirm the drop. Else it is still not to be treated bearish. Stochastic has formed a double bottom here. It could reverse. MACD is, you can look at MACD, it is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI almost staying flat. Now coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. See, first of all, gas is getting resistance here from the 20 period moving average, which is proving out to be a greater resistance for gas to break past by. At the same time, we are also looking at higher lows. So yes, it is under consolidation as of now. Very, very important for gas to stay below 1.7. And before we look into further details and I give you the trading levels for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting 4th of March. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. For any of your queries, you can write an email or ping me on Telegram. Do join the free Telegram channel as well for live market, and uh, visit my platform www.forexfunda.com where you get all the markets related updates, information, news, and the charts as well. Also, you can book a call there with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Now, considering this for the day, you can buy here at 1.76, but this is going to be slight riskier because it has got greater resistance at around 1.8, 1.82. So if you're buying at 1.76, you have to be alert with this trade, because look at the resistance here. And despite it delivering higher highs and higher lows, it is very, very important for it to break out beyond 1.8, 1.82, and then 1.85 levels. Only and only if gas stays above these three, you can say now the bulls will try to take over beyond 1.8586. We are looking forward to 1.9, and beyond 1.9, the next stop is directly towards $2 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a sell entry at 1.72, but then 1.7 is the level it needs to break. Below 1.7 is where slight bearishness can be observed, where we can look forward to 1.66 levels as the next targets. Though I expect it to trade bullish, but right now it is under consolidation. Let it give a breakout, which means a rise above 1.85. Thus, trade with caution. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the next update before the Asia session, before the US session as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.